So there are two types of medicine: painkiller and vitamin. Now, let us say I'll tell you, Vaniji, take a vitamin every day. It is good for your health. So you'll take, and you may skip some day because nothing, it doesn't, nothing, effect is there because it's only improvement. It is good to have, but not necessary to have. The painkillers, on the other hand, right in the middle of the night, I have a pain. The early in the morning, I'll take an appointment with the dentist and run. I won't even wait for a minute. Whereas if I take vitamin box is empty, 1 month also I won't fill it. All right. So the good to have and must have, there's a difference. Okay. The question is, spirituality is good to have or must to have. That makes a priority in life. If you have a toothache, you will run to the dentist. Even if you lose your job, it doesn't matter. You'll go to the dentist. Your priorities are very clear. Right?
Yes.
But if your vitamin box is empty, I'll order it next. So what is spirituality to you? Is a painkiller or a vitamin? Okay. So it becomes a painkiller when you recognize the pain in life. Right? The pain is so intense. I need the painkiller. Then your focus is very sharp. Okay. And then you will not care for anything. I want this. Now, as long as you take it as a vitamin, you keep postponing, oscillating. So, question is spiritual life painkiller for you? First of all, have you recognized the pain in life? People say, I am suffering. But if the suffering is really intense, they want a solution. The suffering is so-so. Or their understanding suffering is so-so. I have never heard of a person who has a toothache who doesn't run to the doctor in the morning. Okay? Because toothache, you cannot tolerate. So if your pain or suffering is intense or intolerable, you'll definitely find a solution. Some solution I want.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Then other part is there. So people are suffering. Okay. Either the pain, suffering is not intense for them to seek a right solution, or suffering is intense, but they don't know right solution. That's the other case. The spirituality can give me right solution. Is maybe there. Suffering is there, but I don't know whether it's the right solution. Then also I'm hesitating. Okay. Now, that is a situation is different from my suffering is not intense. Suffering is moderate. In reality, suffering for everybody in the life is same. Suffering is there. Life is suffering. But over a period of time, we get adjusted to suffering. So you have heard of a frog, the boiling of a frog you have heard? If you put a frog into boiling water, it will die. Okay. If you put a frog into cold water and start boiling water, the frog doesn't die because it gradually adjusts its body temperature so that it doesn't die. So we are like frog like that. Gradually we are adjusting to suffering. Okay, we cannot come to a stage of no, I don't tolerate suffering, I don't accept. Somehow I'm like a frog, I have just adjusted. The intensity of suffering appears to be somewhat adjustable. In that situation, I'll never like seek a solution. The other situation is there. My intensity of suffering is very, very there, but I don't know the right solution. Spirituality may not be the right solution. Okay. Now the problem is, if your intensity of suffering is very high, you want some solution. Whether spirituality or dentist or a psychiatrist, you want some solution. Otherwise, you'll not live. Right? So I may not know the spirituality is a solution or meditation is a solution. But I want some solution because my suffering is so intense. Okay. In this situation, he has not taken spiritual path because he is not aware of the benefit. But now you are not saying about that case. You are saying somebody knows about spirituality, but he is not intense. That's why his case is different. His suffering is not intense, or suffering is intent, but he has got adjusted to suffering. So does that answer your question?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So what is the solution? The solution is life has a solution. Life will make the suffering intense. One day it will come to a point of breaking point. Boiling point it will come. Life is like that only. Or he or she will try out many solutions. They'll come out, nothing will work. Spirituality seems to be the only solution. Let me try. They may come to say a situation of exploring everything and coming. Okay. So this is the situation.
Yes. So how will they increase their conviction is the thing.
How will anybody increase the conviction? Okay. So that is like anything in life. Like anything in life, it happens through reference. Okay. When you married a fellow next to you, what was the reference you had? Huh? You went by some reference, no? You know what reference? This fellow comes to meditation study circle, okay, every day. Okay. So he must be interested in meditation. That means some matching is there. You have some reference. But what he doesn't know that he doesn't come from meditation study circle for meditation. He comes for you, that you didn't know. So some reference, some connection we have to establish.
Yes.
Right? Typically, the connection is anything in life we want a reference. That's how our decisions are in life are made. Right? So anything, even a soap selling, a celebrity has to come and sell you. Celebrity says, I use the soap and my face became bright. Right? Okay. You are not using the cream for the head because you are not impressed by celebrity. Celebrity will say, my hair is white and I put this soap and my color changed and I am looking 20 years younger. You are not seeing that advertisement. That's why you are not applying. So anything we need a reference, either celebrity reference or friends reference or neighbors reference, you need some reference to make a decision in life. When you want to go to the doctor, you check up, is the doctor good? Right? So like that, most of our decisions in life are based on the reference. So now for meditation or spiritual path also, reference is something that works. Right? Somebody says, I was suffering like this and I got benefit from this path. That gives much more conviction to you. Right? For example, I am telling you, Vaniji, last 6 months, I did intermittent fasting. It solved my problem. Then Vaniji gets conviction. Intermittent fasting is a good thing to try. So you go by reference in life. So that's the best, that's the only thing which people do. And that get the good reference is by grace or good punya. So you get convinced, oh, I am suffering like this. Somebody else was suffering like this. I may get benefited from this. And then then you'll ask, who is the doctor? Somebody is a patient, who is the doctor? So you have to get a reference about doctor also. Right? First of all, you have to get convinced that this disease gets cured. Then you have to get a reference about doctor also. Okay. So the two things are required, path and the one who is delivering the path. Similarly, in the spiritual life, somebody says, I got freedom. I am not suffering because of spiritual path. Then you'll see, is he like me? See, I am an engineer. Is he engineer? So you try to match to situation. Then you see, then you get convinced that this works for me. This worked for him, that could work for me. Then you will come with a question, is the guru or the spiritual master right person, right one? Like asking the doctor is the right one or not. So when these references match, we start getting a conviction. So most of the time, our conviction is weak because we have not found a reference. Okay, right reference. That's why always it's said in bhakti, the devotion. Okay, to get devotion in God, intense devotion in God, what is required? I will touch the dust of the feet of a devotee and apply in my head. Devotion to God will come from somebody who already has a devotion. That's why in many of South India, we put Gopi Chandana. You heard of that? They apply to head. Gopi Chandana. The Gopi Chandana is coming from Vrindavan, where Krishna and Gopikas roamed around. Gopikas are devotees of Krishna. So what they say, the place where they walk, the mud is there. The mud is sacred. Apply that mud and you start getting devotion. So this is the question of reference. If devotee with the if I am connected to the devotee, my intense faith in the God will increase. So similarly, the reference of a person who has got healed or got benefit from spiritual path is immensely convincing. That's why it is said, Satsangatve, Nissangatvam, Nissangatve, Nirmohatvam, Nirmohatve, Nischalatatvam. So, Satsanga is important. Okay, company. So, Satsanga I have told different levels of meaning earlier.
Yes.
3 levels of meaning. Satsanga means the company of a Gnani, a realized person. He is Satya. So to get the company of Mahatma or Gnani is good merit, Punya. Okay, that's first level Satyanga. There from the Gnani you have to get Shravana. Then second level of Satsanga is a group of people, like Vedanta Study Circle is a group of people who are coming and supporting each other. That is called Satsanga. Then Satsanga means Nididhyasa. Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasa is called Satsanga. Now, look at your own satsang group. Why did the people come? One person I know, remember, I know Vaniji. That's why I came. Nobody knows Prabhuji. Reference. Right? So satsanga means company of people who are got benefited or company of people are going in certain direction. So we look for that. And that is a good company which helps us. Anything we learn in life is in a company. Smoking I learned in a bad company. Drinking I learned in a bad company. Similarly, good thing I learned in a good company. So the conviction comes when the satsanga is there. When you are able to relate to the members of satsanga. For example, in your satsanga, all people in saffron dress are coming. None of you people sitting. Oh, this is only for people in saffron dress. Right? Or yellow dress. No, this is yellow dress, not for me. Now somebody says, oh, Vani, no, she is wearing Vasu is wearing a t-shirt. Okay, maybe possible for me. Like that, all this checking happens.
Yeah.
Are you clear?
Yeah, that was a very, very illuminating answer, Prabhuji.
So,
very true.
Anybody else has any questions?